Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and thank you for gathering today. The topic of my presentation today is about natural gas. I'm Toshihiro Ouchi from Osaka Gas, Thailand. So let's go on to today's topic. We will discuss today these 6 topics. First, we will explain what is natural gas. Second, I will talk about the pros and cons of natural gas. Third, the location of resources. Fourth, recent topics concerning natural gas. Fourth, how efficiently we can use natural gas. And my conclusion. Let's go on to the first page about natural gas. By the way, do you know what is natural gas? Natural gas is a kind of fossil fuel. Its main component is methane, that is contained about 80 to 90%. You can see from this chart. This green big portion indicates the shares of methane. By the way, I would like to add the explanation about fossil fuel and methane. As you know, fossil fuel is fuel formed by natural processes and made from buried dead plants and animals. The age of the organisms is typically millions of years. And methane, you can see this picture. This picture is molecule of methane. Methane is a chemical compound with the chemical formula CH4. Did you remember the meaning of chemical formula? Yes. 1 atom of carbon and 4 atoms of hydrogen. This is the simplest hydrocarbon. So you can compare between natural gas and other fossil fuels in this table. As I talked, natural gas contains mainly methane. But on the other hand, crude oil contains mainly various hydrocarbons. But also, crude oil has sulfur. Sulfur causes acid rain, air pollution. And coal contains mainly carbon, but coal has also pollutant, ashes. This causes air pollution as well. Let's move on to the next page. I will explain about the pros and cons of natural gas by comparing it with other fuels. Please look at the first line. This line shows the consumption of each fuel. You can see the number of crude oil. This is the largest number in this line. So crude oil is the largest number in the world. But natural gas is the number of natural gas, consumption of natural gas is increasing day by day. And the second line, this line is very important. Reserve to production ratio. A little difficult, the word is a little difficult. The word means how many years left we can use each type of fuels. The year of coal is the longest, but important point is the comparison with natural gas and oil. The year of natural gas is longer than oil, so we can use longer natural gas than oil. The second important point in this table is the fourth and fifth line. These are about environmental impact. In the first line, you can see environmental pollution. Natural gas also create pollutant, but the amount is quite low in comparison with other fuels. In contrast, from crude oil and coal, the pollutant is quite a large amount, and the influence is very severe because it causes acid rain and air pollution, as I talked. And fifth line is talking about amount of carbon emission. You can see the number of natural gas is the lowest. So the amount of carbon emission from natural gas is the lowest. As we can say that natural gas is the most eco-friendly fossil fuel. But unfortunately, in terms of price, the price of natural gas is highest. Let's go to the next page. In this page, you can see where natural gas exists. But before I explain the location of natural gas, do you know where we can get crude oil? Yes. As you know, someone answered, natural gas, crude oil exists in Middle East countries and Russia mainly. So we can say crude oil exists eccentrically. On the other hand, natural gas, we already put stars on this map. You can see several yellow stars on this map. Natural gas exists not only Russia and Middle East countries, but also North America and Asian countries. So we can get natural gas more easily. Next page, I picked up recent topics of natural gas. The first one, almost ASEAN countries, you can see this map, ASEAN countries. Almost all ASEAN countries are producing and come to use natural gas more. But unfortunately, this yellow circle means Philippines and Singapore don't have natural gas resource. But near your country can produce natural gas, so there's no concern in this area. And second topic is this. Within recent years, new unconventional natural gas called shale gas is being produced a lot and rapidly. So, as it is now, USA became the world leader in natural gas production. Next page, I'd like to turn to something completely different or technical side. I'll show you how efficient natural gas is. In the field of power generation, natural gas can create electricity most efficiently. In the category of manufacturing, high-performance industrial furnaces are being used with natural gas. And in the field of transportation, natural gas will be used more efficiently. It is also eco-friendly with the next generation car, fuel cell vehicle. The car has fuel cell power generator. Fuel cell itself never produces carbon dioxide. So, as a conclusion of my presentation, I insist again some important features of natural gas. natural gas is most eco-friendly fossil fuel, and natural gas is existing abundantly and worldwide. So it is easy to handle, and it is also highly efficient. So I would like to contribute through expanding our business, especially in ASEAN countries, to environmental conservation, energy saving, and also production cost cut down more and more. Thank you for your attention.